Welcome to another lesson in English. Today we will be looking at food, specifically on fruits. There are many kinds of fruit in English, and today we are going to start with learning about fruits, how to read those words, how to pronounce them correctly, and how to use them in a sentence. Let's begin. Many fruits grow on big trees. You must have seen so many fruits in your various places where you live. Other fruits grow on small trees. Let us look at some very common fruits in English. I am sure you already know about them or of them just by looking at the pictures here. I am going to read and you can listen carefully and also read after me so that you can practice your pronunciation of these words. Let us begin. Apple, mango, orange, grape, pear, pineapple, banana, watermelon. Okay? I'm going to read one more time and I will be faster than before. Listen carefully. Apple, mango, orange, grape, pear, pineapple, banana, watermelon. Great. Let's continue. Like I said before, many fruits grow in many different countries. Some fruits grow in some countries, while other fruits grow on or in different countries. What do I mean? There are some fruits that can grow in countries that are very hot or which have a warm climate. But these same fruits cannot grow in countries that have a colder climate. Okay? I like to give you more examples so that you can listen. You can also improve your vocabulary. Okay? Let us look at some more of these fruits. I will read and you can repeat after me or you can just listen. Coconut, lemon, grapefruit, strawberry, papaya or pawpaw, peach, kiwi, avocado. I will read one more time and I will read fast. Coconut, lemon, grapefruit, strawberry, pawpaw or papaya, peach, kiwi, avocado. Let's practice. What fruit is this? And you will give the answer using a or an. Okay? Now, let us begin. And if you have all the answers correctly, good for you. So, what fruit is this? This is an apple. Okay, you can write with me so that you can also practice your writing and practice how to spell these words correctly. This is a pine apple. Okay, this is a pineapple. This is a lemon. Okay, this is a watermelon. Okay, this is a strawberry. Okay, this is a papaya. In some countries, they would call it a pawpaw. All right. To recap just means to remember, to recall. And for those of you who do not remember how to use a or an, go back to my channel, go back to my playlist, look at the list of videos and watch lesson 2 and lesson 6. Okay, that should help you. Okay, food for thought. This is an expression in English which means something for you to think about. Okay, now I want to leave you with these 2 sentences for you to think about. Now, do you eat to live or do you live to eat? That is a question for you to think about at home. All right, that is the end of this lesson. Don't forget to practice. See you in our next video. Bye.